award-winning speaker at Harvard clubs and at NASDAQ, multiple best-selling author and TV personality, Tomisa Leiden.
Margaritas by the pool in Scottsdale, Arizona. I was having fun until my sister called. Misa, you gotta get to Mommy and Daddy right now. What's wrong? Daddy's in the hospital. Mama's home alone. Mama cannot be home alone. Mama has Alzheimer's. My folks lived in San Antonio. My sister just up the street in Dallas, but she was stuck there because of tornadoes. I was on the last flight out. As we landed in San Antonio, it was pitch black. Power was out citywide. When I got to my mama's house, it was 11:35 p.m. I had to pull out my iPhone and get the flashlight to be able to find her. Mama, Mama, where are you? Mama? And there she was, curled up in a fetal position behind the sofa. Mama, are you okay? Where's my husband? Where's my husband? You think death and taxes are the only thing you can count on? Not. I'm telling you, there is a third, and it is that urgent phone call that you are going to receive one day. Someone is going to tell you to get from your town to somebody else's town immediately. Now, it may have already happened to you, but if it hasn't, it will. My family crisis, we made all the mistakes. So that you don't have to, I wrote the book, Smart Living for Seniors, How to Make the Best of the Rest. And it begins when the parents are in their 60s and the kids are in their 40s. You have to start talking about aging, decluttering, and downsizing. Did you know that every 13 minutes, 100 people turn 60? Now, some of those folks just dig in their heels and turn into old fogies. But the smart ones, they think they're recycled teenagers. They're already talking about downsizing. They are getting free of that big home that's high maintenance. They want to declutter and take their joy back. The smart ones, they've got a plan. Now, I can tell you how important a plan is. It can be an easy move, or it can be one that will weigh you down, possibly cause injury, disability, or even death. I know this. It is dramatic. Yeah. But I experienced it with my family. That move, without a plan, late in life, put my dad in his grave. That same move landed my mom in memory care. If you don't know what memory care is about, it's a place where they store the bodies when the mind no longer knows that they're your mommy or your daddy. Mrs. Keegan, is this your daughter? I don't know who she is, but she's been sitting around here all day. My heart, I can't even describe. But imagine how you would feel if your very own mama thought you were a stranger. My mission is to educate baby boomers and their parents so they can enjoy the next living chapter of their lives by planning. Don't leave it to chance. Be smart. Plan for the best of the rest of your life, and I'll see you hanging at the pool